Hi everybody, I just wanted to share a flip through of my completed Scrap FX junk craft journal. So this journal comes as a kit. It is available to buy on my website at the moment, and you can also buy it from Scrap FX and the Chipboard Stash, which is an Australian company as well. So it comes as like I say, it comes as a kit, and you can put it together any way that you like. Mine's, as you can see, it's quite chunky. Now it's finished. It's got loads of lovely, delicious ribbons and things. And one of the lovely things about it is that you can decide exactly how you want it to look. So I decided I didn't want the corrugated part on the outside because I wanted to be able to decorate the cover, something that I enjoy doing. So you can see I've decorated it with a chipboard. It's from the Women & Co chipboard set, and put that on the front. Okay, so we've got, this is literally just full of Scrap FX products. So every time I've done a design team project, I've done it in here, and obviously those are going to be things using the Scrap FX goodies. So yeah, there's collage paper and stamps and stencils in here. This comes with little envelopes that you can make pockets out of. So I've made tags, and then I've also I've done things sort of overhanging pages as well. I think this is the other side of a smaller piece of craft cardstock that's gone through the journal. I've used chipboard elements in here as well. Yeah, there's so many fabulous products on the Scrap FX site that if you haven't checked them out, it is definitely worth going and having a look. Oh, I've missed one. Oh my gosh, I thought I'd finished it. I must go back and do that one. And then some of the pages where they were envelopes, I've cut them open and made them into like open pockets, and then made something to go in the pocket. These are some transparencies. Again, using transparencies, and I've stuck the transparency onto white paper here so that it would have a bit more impact on the background. As you know, I like doing cutout pages and altering pages, so they work a little bit differently with different edges. This butterfly, this comes as part of the book. In the latest one that I've just started, I'm going to find a different way to put the butterfly in, so it's a bit different. But again, like I say, it's just absolutely chock-a-block with lovely Scrap FX things. And then this is a little pocket again, so I've made a zine, I don't know how you pronounce it, using the Scrap FX things. I just think there's something so lovely about a really chunky journal. They make me very happy. So on this page here, I've actually added some extra paper to make it bigger, because sometimes you do, I don't know about you, but I just feel that I do want to work a bit on a bigger scale. So adding an extra fold out part to the journal is a perfect way to do that. If you follow me on YouTube, you will have seen there are tutorial videos for all of these pages. You can go onto my YouTube channel and look for the playlist at Scrap FX, and then you'll find them all there, where the things that I've used in these projects are all listed too. So you can check that out if you haven't seen those yet. Again, I've made another zine, and this was made using the envelope that my Scrap FX goodies came to me in from Australia, and I decided I would make that into a little booklet. So quite nice to do a little bit of recycling, repurposing. yeah, so there we go. That's the journal. And then I did just reinforce this place where I was putting the hole with the little metal fastener, so that I could put some ribbon through, just to reinforce that a bit. So that's that one that's finished, and then I will give you a little sneak peek at the new one that I have just decorated, ready for starting. Again, you can see I've used another chipboard shape on the front, yeah, just some of my favourite colours. Then you can get all sorts of sheets with phrases on, and there are stencils with text in. Oh, there's so many things to choose from. So if you haven't got your hands on one of these junk journals, why not? You need one in your life, because they are just the best. They're lovely. They're just a lovely size to work in, and it is easy to alter the pages, make them bigger. So much fun to play in. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.